Replacing the windows in your Rockford home is a smart investment that can enhance both the energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal of your property. However, before you begin, it's important to understand what the installation process involves to ensure that everything goes smoothly. While the idea of window replacement might seem daunting, knowing what to expect during the installation can help you feel more prepared and confident about the project. Here's a step-by-step guide on what you can expect during a window replacement installation in Rockford. Initial consultation and measurement. Before the actual installation begins, you'll have an initial consultation with a window professional. During this consultation, the contractor will assess your current windows and discuss your goals for the new windows. This is also a great time to ask about the different window styles, materials, and energy-efficient options available for your home. Once you've selected your windows, the next step is for the contractor to take precise measurements of your window openings. Accurate measurements are crucial to ensure that the new windows fit perfectly. The contractor will measure the width, height, and depth of each window frame to avoid any issues with installation. This process may take some time depending on the number of windows being replaced and the complexity of the project. Scheduling the installation. After your windows are ordered and custom made, the contractor will schedule the installation date. Depending on the size of your project and the availability of your chosen windows, the lead time may vary. In Rockford, where the weather can be unpredictable, especially during winter months, it's a good idea to schedule the installation ahead of time to ensure that the windows are installed before harsher conditions set in. Once the date is set, the contractor will typically give you an estimated time frame for how long the installation will take. Most window replacement projects can be completed within a day or two, depending on the number of windows being replaced and the complexity of the installation. Preparation for installation day. On the day of installation, there are a few things you can do to help prepare for the process. First, ensure that the areas around your windows are clear. This means moving any furniture, decorations, or other obstacles that might get in the way of the installation team. If there are items like curtains or blinds that are covering the windows, it's a good idea to remove them beforehand. The installation crew will need easy access to both the inside and outside of your home, so be sure to remove any obstructions around the exterior of your house, such as plants, garden furniture, or outdoor decorations. Additionally, if you have pets or young children, it may be a good idea to keep them away from the work area for safety and comfort. Window removal and installation. On installation day, the crew will arrive at your home, typically in the morning, and begin the process of removing your old windows. They will carefully take out each window, making sure not to damage the surrounding structure. If your windows are in good condition and can be reused, they may be recycled. However, if the windows are too damaged, they will be disposed of properly. Once the old windows are removed, the installation team will check the frames to ensure that they are square and level. Any necessary adjustments will be made before the new windows are installed. This may involve trimming or cleaning the frame to ensure that the new windows fit perfectly. The new windows will be carefully placed into the frames and sealed with high-quality caulking to prevent air leaks. The team will also install any necessary weather stripping to further increase energy efficiency. If the windows have any additional features, such as blinds between the glass or custom hardware, those will be added at this stage as well. Finishing touches. Once the windows are installed, the crew will move on to finishing touches. This includes trimming any excess caulking, cleaning the windows, and making sure that everything is secure. The installers will also check the operation of each window to ensure that they open and close smoothly. If there are any minor adjustments that need to be made, such as alignment issues or draft concerns, the crew will address them before leaving. The installer will also make sure that your new windows are properly sealed to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. You may also receive tips on how to maintain and care for your new windows to keep them looking great and functioning properly for years to come. Cleanup and inspection. After the installation is complete, the crew will clean up the area around the windows. They will remove any debris from the old windows, including any packaging materials, and make sure that the interior and exterior of your home are left clean and tidy. Before the crew leaves, they will do a final inspection of the windows to ensure that everything is installed correctly. This is your opportunity to ask questions and address any concerns you might have about the windows or the installation process. The installer will also provide you with details about warranties and any other important information related to the maintenance of your new windows. Post-installation care. After installation, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions for maintaining your new windows. This might include regular cleaning, checking seals, or lubricating hardware. Energy-efficient windows may also require periodic checks to ensure that they're performing optimally. In Rockford's variable climate, paying attention to maintenance and care for your windows will ensure that they continue to function well and provide energy efficiency for years to come. Conclusion. Window replacement in Rockford is a straightforward process that can enhance your home's appearance, energy efficiency, and comfort. By understanding what to expect during the installation, you can prepare your home and ensure that the project runs smoothly. From the initial consultation and measurement to the final inspection, working with a professional window installation team ensures that your new windows will fit perfectly and provide lasting value. Whether you're looking to reduce energy costs, improve curb appeal, or enhance your home's security, window replacement is an investment that offers numerous benefits.